Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your CIBC credit card online in just a few simple steps. First, head over to CIBC.com and go to sign on using your now card or password. If you don't have that, you'll just need to enter your user ID and password and sign on. And then you'll have to go to this link here. And if you just go to this link here straight, you'll see this option, then click sign on, and then you can make your CIBC credit card on your own. I mean, that is the step to activate your card. So once logged in, you will find a section called, it is manage your card or something like that. So this one right here. And this might be available right on the dashboard or under the manage your card section. And then all you have to do is activate your card, and they have a video here that shows how you can activate it. And just let me click on the question, so they don't take me to this. So this is the method here. So again, just select activate card from the credit section of your account and then follow the steps to activate it. That is very simple. So there is nothing else to do. And I actually wanted to show you the script, but that is it. And once you have activated your card, and you will have to choose a pin, just select the pin you want to add, and that's it. You can then be able to use that
Have you
immediately.
ever had that
Alright, so let me just quickly show you the screens quickly. So once you're logged in the app, and then you'll have the option to change your pin. And if you're not registered, you need to register, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the manage your card section. Anyway, so choose the card you want to activate, right? Select the card, and once you have selected it, just scroll down a bit and look for manage my card section. This will look like this under the more options. And once you click, just choose activate card if you have not done that. And after that, you'll have to choose pin. So it's really at the front, so you won't have to look for it very. And then choose the pin you want to add and set the pin and read the instructions, then click next, and you can use your ATM at any CIBC bank center.